Watch, I'm gonna get his attention. Yo!
What's up, YouTube? So we're back again with another video, and this time I'm getting surrounded by spider webs. What the freak? We're finally gonna do kind of a, well, it's gonna be a point of view video, just kind of, you know, exhaust clips, just driving around and stuff. Yeah, haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so I'm actually kind of hyped. Car is super dirty, and yeah, first things we need to do is just we need to get some gas.
All right, I haven't done this with you guys in a hot minute, but it's also really dope. Like, the one thing I really appreciate about that, damn, I can't talk. The one thing I really appreciate about Georgia is like, man, these back roads, dude. Like, it's, I don't know, it's comforting to drive. Even though there's somebody in my way, I need them to move. I don't know. So I wanted to do one of these videos because it's been literally over a year. The last time I did a point of view video, you guys absolutely loved it. I want to show you guys like how the car sounds. I posted an exhaust clip on Instagram, and it did all right. You know, it got a crap ton of shares, but y'all need to like it. Whoa, whoa, oh my God. I can't put that in the video. My voice is freaking cracked. Like, oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna leave it in the video. I don't care. I don't care. I'm over 30 and my voice cracks. It is what it is. I'm gonna show you guys like how the car sounds. I posted on Instagram. I'm gonna need y'all to like it up. Follow me on Instagram, Noir.TM, Noir.TM, whatever you want to call it, or Noir, VR30, I don't know, whatever. Dude, just look, it's just so fun to drive these things. But yeah, so it's gonna be more fun on the highway, obviously, because I got more straightaway and I'm not being blocked by a freaking Kia. It's go time, baby. It's go time, baby. And look, we're already getting on here. It's a Challenger, baby. Let's go. Oh, you think he wants the sauce? Let's see. Dude, that's the thing, man. Like, ever since I've done this swap and completed it, oh, like, he's pulling up on me. Hold up. Nah, he didn't want it. Bro, as soon as I finish this swap, like, nobody wants to run me, dude. And then the only ones that want to run me have, like, 200 horsepower more than me, bro. Like, come on, man. I want to run somebody. I want to run more Mustangs. I want to run more Challengers, all that stuff. Like, let me have some fun. And right now, I'm just on 93. I'm not on like a E85 tune or anything like that. But this car just pulls, man. Like, it's just fun. And one thing I love about my exhaust setup too is like around 3,000 RPM, it does have a slight drone, but when you're going like 60 on it, bro, you can barely hear the exhaust, and it's actually pretty sick, dude. Like, I personally like, it's weird, like as I get older, it's gonna sound so freaking boomerish, but as I get older, I do like having a more quiet exhaust, just because it's not so much as a heat up, you know. Like, I can drive around town, not worry about crap, not like these straight pipe like ISR dudes, like VQ guys and all that stuff. Like, bro, I used to be that guy, so I know exactly how it sounds. Dude, I'm just happy with how this exhaust tone comes out, but you could just dog this car and no one even notice. It's too late. I see a Challenger and a Camaro, and I wonder if they're down to get it, but we gotta find somebody, bro. So we gotta race somebody. Well, nothing like trying to record a video and you're just surrounded by traffic, bro. I hate Mexico so much sometimes. Like, geez, bro, I don't know what's been going on, but there's been accidents like left and right for the past like 2 days. Jeez, man. So whatever, I'm trying to get past a certain point because this is a really cool tunnel that I like to shoot flames in, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get like the pops and bangs on camera, but you know, just Mexico doesn't want me to succeed. All right, one of my favorite tunnels. That was awesome. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God.
I know. That was so sick. Ah, that was awesome. All right.
Dude, that was insane.
Like, that's just fun, dude. Like, I'm not really into flame map and all that crap, but I mean, when in Rome, you know what I'm saying? Like, But now we're back near Atlanta, and one thing I absolutely love is like the actual like look. I'm gonna try and see if I can get some clips of it at night, because driving through here at night, dude, beautiful. But for now, all I get to do are pulls and tunnels. That's just fun, dude. Holy hell. I mean, and plus I'm stuck in traffic, so I might as well find something to do, you get me? And Daddy, we got a 300! Oh, hell yeah, dude. Dude, look at that thing. Hell, hey, report. Yeah, oh, it's so clean. Oh, and it's a woman! What?
Oh my god.
Dude, hell yeah. Oh, wait, let me catch up to her. Oh, look at that. Oh, you want to ignore me, you jerk? I'm over here trying to show you love and appreciation, and that's how you do me? Fine, F you and your 300. Nah, I like it though, I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, take that, take that. I mean, damn, bro, like, you know, we all in the Z community, you know what I'm saying? Like, say something. It's okay. I'm not gonna bite. I'm just gonna gap you. You know what I mean? It's alright. Take you to Gapplebee's. Is that what you want? Like, this is supposed to be me just driving, showing you guys the sound of the cars, but all you hear is the sound of my stupid voice. But nobody wants to. You know what? Fine. Here's the sound clips. We're here. I missed a gear, damn it. Why am I like this? They're like, why does he have a GoPro in his mouth? Because that's how I live, ho.
Oh my god. My butthole after Taco Bell.
Girl, you are on camera. If you think I'm editing that out, you're crazy.
What?
The butthole comment?
No, you are.
No, I'm not. You're not driving so fast, bro. Slow down. All right? Slow down. Oh, I got a G. If he still wants it, I'll give it. Good sport. Little guy, see? He knew, and he still did it. That's the type of guy I like. Good job, bro. I don't know who you are, but good run, dude. And I spun, I went sideways as hell, too. Everybody who would be commenting, oh, no, don't know how to drive. Yeah, what's up there, ho? Catch me on these streets. Cassione streaks it! No, please don't. I'm about to get gat for real. Look, they're like, oh, these people are like, why the hell does this guy have a GoPro in his mouth? I swear, everybody gets weirded out, but I'm trying to get the good angles, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. And look, another G, but that one's actually really clean. I actually like this one a lot. I'm gonna slow down so I can grab him. Look at that, it's clean. Wait, pull up, bro. Hey, why are you scared? I'm trying to admire your G35, bro. See, the thing is, and I know a lot of people are gonna be like, this is how I am driving like every day, dude. Like, especially when I'm by myself. I literally am just looking to just have some fun. I'm doing pulls all the time. This car was built to do stupid crap with it. So I'm gonna do some stupid crap. There we go. Oh, he getting on the same exit too. Boy, I'm about to film you. Let me get this guy. Let me see. Oh, man, what the? Why does nobody show love here, man? I'm trying to get you on camera, bro. Look. Oh, look. See, he ignored me, man. This thing is nice though. Why, man? VQ guys, y'all some hoes, man. Y'all need to say something, dude. Damn. But yeah, hold on. Watch. I'm gonna get his attention. Yo! Why'd you say nothing, man? Your car's clean as hell, bro. Dude, I just wanted to bother you. So, you guys have a good day, all right?
What are you doing on the back?
On the back, I'm letting it Flappy Bird. You guys have a good one, all right? Yeah, man, you gotta show some love to all the VQ and VR guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just be like quiet, bro. Like, but whatever. That guy's probably like, this guy's on crack, but it's okay.
Oh, wait, forgot the cap. Oh, and I'm zoomed in. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. So hopefully you guys like the point of view stuff. Right now, I am at a carnival and I'm about to get like super duper turned, I think. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, just make sure you like and subscribe because it does help the channel grow. Something else I wanna kind of talk to you guys is kind of awkward. No, do I wanna have this talk on the internet? No, I don't. I'll save it for another video, but definitely gonna have a more real talk real quick. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one.